2025 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. This sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control. We're here to help you find what fits your lifestyle.